your last chance to back out?
Just a different side of Parliament. We mainly just wanted it to be fun, but an embellishment of the truth. So the stories that we tell are mostly factual.
I didn't know quite what to expect, but yeah, so my staffing was from the library, kind of all dressed up in Victorian garb and kind of scared us and, jumped out of corners and it was really fun and learnt a lot about the history of the Parliamentary Library and some nefarious characters from the past. It was a lot of fun. I thought they did a great job.